बंद होता मैंने वहाँ
For watching the video. If you like it, please press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and please subscribe to India News TV for more such updates.